nice and upload a video. I decided to do this during my lunch break, so I'm going to enjoy this, and yeah, I'm excited about uploading the video that I finished using my new camera. And yeah, so today is Friday, and the weekend is here. I'm going to work a little late this evening because we have an event. Hold on. Well, it is Saturday morning, and I am on my way to run an errand at Walmart for my husband before I head into work. We have a cute event going on today, and I'm hoping to capture some footage of that. With my job, well, with my previous job, nothing has really changed as far as being open to working during evenings and weekends, and this just so happened to be one of those weekends, which I'm okay with. I think as long as I can remember, I've had to adjust to an open schedule. I don't think I would be comfortable just clocking in at a certain time, and once the time is out, over for the day, I go out. Weird thing. And being in the hospitality industry, you have to be bendable. You have to be flexible, and know that there are going to be times that you're not going to work a 9 to 5. You're going to probably work a 9 to 10. And you're going to work weekends, long hours. Sometimes it's going to be short hours. It's just, you have to be set up for the chaotic schedules. But most of the time, I'm having a good time. I love to plan the things and see them come to fruition. I love to see people gathered and actually engaging and enjoying the moment. So I have no complaints. Okay, I am going to try my best to take you along with me. I'm going to Walmart. I'm not getting anything fancy. Remember, I said I'm getting something for my husband. So we're going to make this Walmart run, and then I'm going to go in to work to get set up for today's event. Here we are so far. It's coming together.
So, our big arrangement.
Let's see if I was going to really get it stretched.
Are you? I don't believe that.
Fresh mozzarella.
That's just as cool as mine.
9:26. Still at work. Tomorrow is Father's Day, and my place of employment will be open for Father's Day buffet, but I won't be there because I am getting on the road in the morning to go pick up my oldest from dance camp. So that's why I'm wanting to go ahead and retire from work tonight, so that I can go and get rest. I have been here since 10 o'clock this morning, and it is now 9:30. I'm exhausted, but as you can see, the party that was set up today, it was very beautiful. It turned out really good, and the birthday girl was very happy, along with her parents. So, win-win. Isn't that cute? We got an all-American dancer right here. Congratulations, Ryan.
You got it.